This is Max Alexander. He is 6 years old. Look at him. He's a fashion designer. Look at him go. He has a dress form. He's pinning. He's got hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram, TikTok. He's making this dress for this young lady. And yes, he sews. He knows how to sew. That's him sewing this dress. That's unbelievable. Max loves to drape. That's him draping on a dress form. He finds fabrics and he just has fun. He pins and he folds and he looks at it, trims and cuts and pins. Draping is a vehicle to create new designs, new ideas. See, look at him go. Fabric as the source of inspiration. Let the fabric talk to you.